Hi everyone. I'm away from my home and work for a few weeks, and so haven't been able to make videos of me forging. But here are some recent customer touch marks. For info on getting one made, refer to my Blacksmith hot stamp logo marks video from about a month prior to this video. I'll link that video below. I really need to thank Oz Tanrakulu for his latest generous donation. Couldn't have come at a better time. Thank you, sir. People refer to these as touch marks or logo marks or sometimes maker marks, but whatever you call them, these are made from H13 steel and are primarily for use on hot steel, to imprint into hot steel. I'm amazed by the imagination that goes into some of the marks I've helped get made. I personally prefer simple, straightforward marks. That's more in line with my personality, but I really admire some of the more complicated ones. And the complexity of the design is typically what affects price most. These are a combination of unique customer designs coupled with the engraver's skill for translating those designs into these wonderful marks. These marks are made from brass and are for use on pottery, stamped in the material when soft. The engraver really knows his stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys next time.